I'm on a personal mission to creating 100 millionaires.
Since 2009, Shaqir Hussyin, nicknamed as the Backpack Millionaire, has been hailed as one of the most sought-after internet marketing leaders, trainers, and coaches to thousands of people.
It's very simple. Life is way too short, and you gotta make sure that every single day you're capitalizing and you're growing.
Welcome to this episode, everyone. Let's go. Hope you're doing well during COVID-19. So here's the thing. When you are given instructions by a mentor, by someone who's already got the results, one of the most powerful things you can ever do in your life is just say, okay, let me put the blinders on. One of the reasons why I was able to scale my business so quickly and, before the age of 30, I did amazing things. Just yesterday, I posted something on my Instagram. Today, winning the ClickFunnels Award, $20 million in 3 years. And once a person wrote back, he's a client of mine. He was a client maybe 5-6 years ago. He was broke. He joined ClickFunnels under my affiliate link with his credit card. And I just met him earlier this year for the first time ever. Him and his wife were so excited to see me. And they said they made about $17 million. Okay. And so he wrote back and he said, Shaq, I just want to remind you, you didn't win these awards. Look, my hair just stood up. He said, you didn't win these awards. Through your hard work and helping thousands of people, you achieved them, you earned them. And it's like, you earned it and you helped me change my life. And so, whatever times you're going through right now in the world, you want to say to yourself, okay, I need to find a mentor and I need to just go all in. And whatever the mentor says. So for me, when someone comes in and they just enroll into a program, like a $10,000, $20,000 program or a $50,000 program, one of the first things I say is, okay, go and consume all of my videos on YouTube. You need to almost become like my secret best friend. Now, you won't be my friend because I'm not here to be your friend. But you make $100,000 or you make $1 million and I'll reach out and we'll be friends. But for now, you're a client, okay? And I tell them straight up, you need to go and consume all of my videos, get inside, go and see my Facebook posts and, go through my Instagram and tell yourself this is the only mentor that you're committed to, okay? And stick with the program. It doesn't matter if it takes you 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, stick with it. The only way people fail is when they give up. The only way people fail is when they stop doing the damn work. So for you, especially during this uncertain economic time, the most valuable thing you have is your focus. Okay, if you are on Instagram and you are watching 50 different people, if you are on Facebook watching 50 different people, if you're on YouTube and you're like a crack addict jumping from one place to another, I'm telling you right now, you're damaging your focus, your ability to focus, and you will not achieve success. I had a client and she's a $100,000 client. Okay, now this is not someone who's like just new to business. She's been in business. She's very successful. Obviously, someone paying $100,000 is a lot of money. Even her, the most basic things I tell her, don't get distracted. Don't put your focus in 101 things. I found out last night that she's just been running around chasing so many different opportunities. So what happens when you chase so many different opportunities? Your mind and your focus, it just can't do two things at once. It's like Tiger Woods is not good at basketball and golf and swimming. He's just good at one thing. Same way with me, I'm really good at sales and marketing. Let's just say marketing is my strength. I'm not good at technical stuff. I'm not good at even management or leadership. I'm not good at building teams. These are all areas I'm very aware. I'm working on it, but it's not my forte. So I focus on my strength and then I figure out, okay, what is my weaknesses? So I just wanted to share that with you because this is very, very important. And during these times, one of the ways you can get a lot more focus is get really in tune with, if you pray, writing out your vision every day, going through your mission, creating principles for your life. I show up on time. I am organized, clean. I am healthy. I eat clean. I eat healthy. I respect what I say. I'm going to respect my time. I'm going to respect my energy. I only focus on positivity. I actually have not watched a single piece of the news. And it sounds crazy, but I can't see it. I'm just like, it doesn't register with my mind. I don't have a TV anyway, so I don't watch TV, but I don't know any of these fear-mongering stuff that other people are talking about. And I'm like, wow, because I live in a different bubble, and you have to live in a different bubble. Obviously, you need to be aware of what's going on, but try to focus on the things you can control. You can't control the media, but you can control how many people are sending you an email trying to sell you every day. Yes or no? Right? You can control the kind of food that you're putting in. Like right now, I really feel like eating some chocolate. I really feel like eating some cereal. It's late at night. It's the worst thing. I'm not going to have it as much as I want to have it. Why? Because I have to say no to the things I know aren't important or are important. So, and I have to say yes to going all in, financially, emotionally, physically, mentally. So how do you go from where you are right now to where you want to get to? One of the first things is you need to identify your golden hour. With all of my clients, I give them a sheet that basically walks them through the golden hour. And what this is I say to my clients, aim to wake up early, and every 20 minutes, just audit your time. What's happening in every single 20 minutes? Okay, what's going on? What are you doing right now? And then I really created this for myself. I call it a CEO worksheet. You don't need to do it every single day. It kind of drives people crazy. But do it for about 3 to 5 days and just see, oh, wow, I waste time when I'm on YouTube. Instead of Facebook, I'm wasting time. And the biggest shift that you must make during these times of economic chaos and pandemics is this: you must become a producer and not a consumer. Producers get paid, consumers spend their cash. You are not a consumer, you are a producer. If you're watching this, if you're listening to my podcast, you're watching this, you're listening to this right now, I'm telling you right now, commit to being a producer. Produce sales, produce videos, produce content. Don't read anyone's stuff. You can read my emails, you can read my content, you can watch my videos, but don't try and limit it to 1 to 3 people. Don't get sucked into it. It's funny because, and I'm going to share this with you because I'm always vulnerable with all my students, and it's something that they respect greatly, because unlike other gurus, they just show the good highlight reel. I'll give you the highlight reel, but I'm also going to talk about the bad stuff. And I don't care if you judge me, you don't like me, you never buy from me, it doesn't matter. I don't need your money. I'd like your money, but I don't need it. I'm doing all right for myself. Okay. And so the reason why I'm sharing this is because, and this is completely being vulnerable, is, just on my Facebook today, I wrote something. And I wrote something where I spent $25,000, and I was trying to game the system because I was about to spend $400,000, and I was around 24, 25 years old, and I was going to spend this money to buy myself a New York Times best-selling author. And it was one of the dumbest things I ever did, but I didn't do it. The smartest thing was I paid Russell Brunson $25,000, gone the hour with him, boom. I saved that $400,000. But every time I'm about to do something, I go and ask one of my mentors, and you have to limit who you're learning from, because ultimately who you learn from is who you become like. So I hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe. Make sure you're following me on Instagram.com/Shaqir Hussyin. Send me a direct message if I can help you. CEO@Shaqir.com. Email me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. All right, so we just wrapped up. Hopefully you've enjoyed this podcast. You know what to do. Go ahead and leave me a review. That's how iTunes gives us all these ratings and stuff, and that's how other people can listen to this. Forward this podcast to a friend or a family member. Forward it to your email subscribers. Share it on your newsletter. Whatever the case is, make sure you go and take action. Information alone is not enough. It's the application that we have to do on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you're not on my newsletter, go to Shaqir.com. That's SHAQIR.com. That's SHAQIR.com. I've got a free case study there that shows you a video walkthrough of the 10 income hacks that I've put together so that you can go out and build your own $1 million business. Make sure you go and register to get daily updates on my newsletter. I'm excited for you, and I'll see you on the next podcast, committed to you becoming wealthified.